Hi there. Stabilizer, also known as cyanuric acid, is an important chemical for your pool. If you missed my previous video on how to test for cyanuric acid or stabilizer, check it out right here or in the description below. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to add stabilizer or cyanuric acid to your swimming pool. Okay, so first you have to remove your skimmer basket. I have this measuring cup. It's marked with 2 pounds of stabilizer, and it matches up to 34 ounces on the back of the measuring cup. So 34 ounces is 2 pounds. That means 17 ounces is 1 pound. So let's get 5 pounds of stabilizer into the pool. I like to use the Pool Dash app on my phone, and that helps me calculate the amount of chemicals that I need to put in my pool. So here we've got 2 pounds, and we're going to slowly pour this into the pool. Yeah, let me speed this up for you guys. Here's the first 2 pounds. Here's the second 2 pounds. And then 1 more pound, for a total of 5 pounds. And now we're rinsing the inside of the pool skimmer, just splashing off all the stabilizer, and then reinsert the basket. And now we're rinsing out this measuring cup. You don't want to intermix chemicals. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think.